Please subscribe to my channel. Peace.
What's up, guys? This is Nicholas, BMXBoys. Watch as we unbox a scooter.
This car is equipped with 2 DIY stickers and 1 fluorescent sticker. This is a 60-degree rotating. You got it out of the box? Okay, let's assemble.
Looks nicely big too.
This is the parental speed control button for safety.
This is Lucas from BMXBoys. We just got this new ride-on scooter, and I'm gonna go over how you do everything. So, this is how to turn it on. Low speed, high speed. This is how to turn the lights off. And this is how to turn the lights off. Then, right here is how to play music.
Music mode.
There's a lot of music.
This is the accelerator and this is the brake.
Thank you for sending us this new ride-on scooter. We love it. Guys, our video made it on the Amazon page for this ride-on scooter. Click on the link in the bio to purchase your very own scooter. Here's what our video looks like on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Peace.